And of course, I do want to remind you guys and gals here that when we talk about these trades in this live trade room, I'm trading my own live account, but please, please, please be careful though with your risk capital. All right, guys, there is risk out there in these markets these days. Well, there always is. Just make sure you take a second though to read our disclaimer. Make sure you know about your risk out there. And remember, guys, I think in my opinion, our biggest asset, the biggest reason why we're successful is our methodical approach to our daily routine, our methodical approach to using our plan. We walked you through the entire thing today. Today was a Monday, so we couldn't just jump right into the market right away. We went through the whole entire morning routine as it applies to a Monday. We had contract rollover today on crude oil. So we knew take our time today. Our trading plan for a Monday reminds us to take our time. And we did that. And sure enough, it was a sloppy day. We saw the slop come in pretty darn quickly here this morning. We used that sloppy market personality as a really big clue, and we made some great income. Now, of course, you guys don't want to hear me talk about the money we made. Let's look at the fast track trades, because you're going to learn the aggressive scalping. You're going to learn the swing trading method. You're going to learn the auto trader. You're going to learn how to use all this stuff as a member. But what about before you learn? Remember, guys, there's a big difference between learning and then a couple years from now starting to earn. In my opinion, I want to learn and earn at the same time. Ever heard that term called trading with scared money? Ever heard anybody say don't trade with scared money? Well, this removes that from the equation. If you're making money with me as a member while you're learning, you're not trading with scared money. Okay? Your boss is going to have one less employee in a shorter period of time, and you're going to have a much better experience as a day trader as a whole. So how can I guarantee your success? Well, first of all, check out our blog. Our blog has a ton of real member feedback. I ask all my members to post their feedback on our blog. Maddie, would you mind sharing that with our guests here? Because our members are the ones coming in every day and using this to make money. As a guest, we haven't trained you on this yet. So I have two goals with my fast track method. First thing is get my members making money. Get them making money with easy trade calls, exact entries, exact targets, and exact stops, much like you're seeing right now. As you can see on this particular, on this particular chart, this was at 10 o'clock this morning, we actually took two wave patterns. Crude oil was falling this morning, bearish sentiment. I gave you the exact entry, the exact targets, and the exact stops. So as I always tell my members have a full-blown trading plan that will teach them everything about what I'm doing here for the fast track. But just like everything else in this life, wouldn't it be nice to have somebody going through it with you? So I have members right now that are seeing this trade. They can see the 20-tick first target, the 78.15 final target, which never got filled, by the way. So we got the 20 ticks out of it. My members earn 20 ticks per contract for that first target. And if you're a member of mine or a guest, all you have to do is place your limit order at 85. It's a limit order entry short. Place your targets, place your stops. So is it really okay if you're a guest to do this? Yeah, that's the goal. The goal is twofold. I know that my members were searching for this pattern today, and I helped reinforce their learning by confirming it for them. They learn and they earn at the same time. Now, what about this trade? This is the trade before it, right? Here was the trade right before it. Here was the fast track called just before it, right? There's a wave here, wave one, wave two. This one, again, same thing. 55 entry short. Okay, 34, of course. What's that? 21. First target. We did get 15. Second target. We never got third target filled. So my goal for the fast track is 30 ticks per day per contract. That's $300 per contract. That means over 5 days, you make 150 ticks per week. 150 ticks per week. What is that? That's $1,500 per week. Does that sound like no more scared money? Absolutely. And all you need is about a $2,000, $2,500 account to start with this. So you're going to double your account every week. Guys, it doesn't get any easier than this. In my opinion, I'll tell you, I would have killed a man. I would have killed a man for this when I was a new trader. There was nobody out there giving me exact entries, exact stops, and exact targets when I was trying to learn. And because of that, I was worried. How am I going to pay my bills? How am I going to become a professional trader if I can't survive long enough to learn? It's like being a boxer. I got to go into the ring, stay alive long enough to knock my opponent out. The fast track does two things. It proves to my guests how well this method works. Second thing, it confirms, it reinforces the material our members are already learning and allows them to make money along with me. Just another example, guys, of some very, very easy ways our members are making money every day in this live trade room. And I want to welcome everybody aboard here. And thank you guys for coming out and sharing with me. We were off all week last week, guys. Everything's bearish right now, obviously. Been watching this in the background. Apparently, the market sentiment turned bearish. So crude oil, again, look for the fake out breakout, but at the same time, you're now selling retracements here on crude oil. Previous low of days, your final target on crude. A final profit this morning, guys, a little bit shy of 50 ticks. Had that one 50-tick winner, and everything else pretty much kind of sat around and went sideways here for us. A fantastic job today. Most important things today, a Monday routine. Knowing the difference between a good and a bad wave pattern. And of course, the key to our success, the fast track trade management. I hope everyone out there had a great day with us today. Don't miss tomorrow, guys. Don't miss tomorrow. We're going to come back and do it all again. Every day we do this. So don't miss tomorrow.